Hello everybody, welcome to the show. It's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a new MicroVentures video where I'll be reviewing the company called Our Life Foods. Now, this one I actually kind of like because I love Cajun food, and oh man, instantly I was like, yep, this is good. But Our Life Foods is a Cajun food packaged products, and they have beverages. But what I do like, on May 6th, they're going to have a investor webinar. So if you guys are planning to invest into this company and this is interesting to you, just check it out. So far, 89 investors raised $25,000. So that's pretty nice. So let's go into some key details that I got highlighted, and let's go through some questions and stuff. So Our Life Foods is a consumer packaged goods company from Louisiana, inspired by box kill mitts. They have seasoning, rubs, mixes, sodas, and consumers looking for authentic products. Distributed over 2,800 locations across the U.S., Canada, and Australia. Their video is actually really good. You can check it out. It's like a minute and 30 seconds, so it's not that bad. So what they're looking for is $25K to $107K. Now, if you're part of that first, I think $25K, you get the 20% discount like other companies are giving. But if you are going to be involved with this company, and if you use the products, let's say you actually use their seasoning packs and their sodas, maybe if you look at what they're offering, if you you invest with their company, you get some pretty good perks. So we'll check out the other stuff. So today has expanded over 2,800 locations. I went over that. And here's some of their meal plans, their box meals. So it seems like a little bit on the spicier side, but it's not too bad. I mean, for me, I have not tried it, but for the looks of it, looks pretty good. And with some of the reviews I saw on Instagram, it doesn't look too spicy. So you check out their Instagram; they're pretty good, pretty popular, especially for their niche. Here's their swamp pool. If you look at it, they did acquire a company in 2019 for their swamp pool. So let's check it out. So this is something that really kind of always raise questions. Where's the money going? So if they get 25K, which they have hit, they're going to put 60% to general marketing and new innovation launch. Cool. So that's 15K going there. But if they get the maximum raise of $107,000, they're only still applying 15K. So for me, I mean, I'd rather put more into general marketing and market as hard as possible. Throw up a YouTube channel, especially for their foods, and built that way or off of Instagram. But yeah, just a personal opinion. These are going to be 77% of it is for future wages. Maybe they're going to be hiring a lot of people to help for the distribution channel. But we're going to go to some of the things, because once you start breaking down their finances, you definitely see why they need money. Obviously, they're on MicroVentures, so general marketing. I actually prefer more for general marketing. All right, so the roadmap, they're going to be looking at frozen single-serving products and snack products for the company. Hopes to expand to encompasses. Maybe this can be a good boost in revenue for them. So here's their business model. You can read down more in detail what they sell, how much they sell for, the company evolution. Here's their track record with other companies they've been working with. So pretty big one. So let's look at some of the units. So roughly they sold about 357,000 units across 3 continents. That's a lot. Like look at these units sold from 2017 to 2019. So they're definitely selling. And look at the revenue models. Like they generate over $1 million in revenue. Like this is crazy amount. But this is just revenue. We haven't looked at the net amounts. So here's your quarterly expenses. So you guys can break down stuff like this. But this is the part that really got me when I was reading it. In the first month of 2020, Our Life has incurred a net loss of $12,244. The company's profitable in the first quarter, but incurred a net loss in the final 3 quarters of the year, resulting in a net loss of $145,000. In quarter 8, 2018, profitable quarter, C5K. So it looks like if you look at their chart, they only had 2 profitable quarters. The second quarter of 2018 and the first quarter of 2019. They are melting. Like, gosh, they're burning. But look at this right here. As of March 2016, 2020, the company only has $3,820.53 on cash on hand. As a result, the founder plans to fund the company until conclusion of the crowdfunding raising. So they definitely need cash. They're butting through. I can see why they're using this roadmap over here. We can scroll up and go to their business model, and right here, this can drive more revenue. For me, I think a quick way they should drive more revenue, just a general question, is add more to general marketing. You need to market harder, sell harder, sell more. That's just an personal opinion. Let's see what the questions say back there. And what I in this industry, for me, if you guys go through some of the details, we can go through them, seeing how much this industry has been expanding. I mean, we are during the coronavirus, so this may be doing some slowing down, but I don't know, maybe there are companies on demand during this time too. So here's the competitors, guys. Check them out and see what they're doing, how much of their market share, what are they doing in their niche. I mean, for me, this company, I mean, it's not my favorite type. I do love food companies, but there's too many questions that I would ask. I don't like not selling more. It's like a big thing for me, but check this stuff out. So their past fundings, how much do they do? It's actually pretty interesting. They have had three of their series plus this one. So let's look at these questions. So, hi, this seems like a very good opportunity. I have a few questions. What are your sales projections for 2020 to 23? What's your big plans for near per business growth? I think they already answered that a little bit over there. Who do you see as a potential acquirer and buyer? So you guys can check out these questions. Actually, wow, there's a lot of questions in here. I think people are asking the same thing. Probably, no, a little bit different. But yeah, guys, this is a Cajun Life. It's really good company. I bet their products taste really, really good. But check out their Instagram page. It seems like a good company. For me, it's a good couple questions. I mean, I don't like getting to stock options like that when it comes to like these things. If that's for you and that's your cup of tea, go do it, man. I'm not trying to tell you guys what to do with your money, just enlighten you about what I think and about this company. So that's the video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Check out my other videos. This will be in the MicroVentures playlist, and I'll see you later.